Hey, what's up, DS3 TV? I can see you haven't subscribed to the channel. It's kind of weird. You should subscribe. I mean, we got some good content here. And also, go to the Twitch that's in the link down in the description. Link is probably right here under me. And yeah, should do all of that. And yeah, please subscribe. Get to see me have hot sauce that I don't really want to have when we get to 10,000. So subscribe. What's up, guys? It's been a couple days since I've been back, but yeah, we got this video right here. 2027 hypothetical Atlantic hurricane season. It's my first 13 Xtra, and this should be a really good video. And got recommended this video by a lot of actually, I got this video recommended to me a couple times in the comment sections, so I've been looking out for that, and yeah, hopefully you guys will like it. This is going to be out today. I am going to start streaming, so I have a new streaming schedule. I am going to put it up on my Twitch. It is going to be, I'm probably going to be streaming at 12, yeah, so like at 12 o'clock p.m. Eastern time. Well, not Eastern, why I say Eastern. Mountain Standard Time or Pacific Standard Time, whatever. So I'll be streaming literally as the video goes up every day. I feel like that'll get me on a good schedule, and also that'll give me a chance to go to sleep after I get off of working for 10 hours at Amazon throughout the night, and that'll just give me enough time to kind of get up, and I'll be getting up, and we'll be playing games, reacting to videos and stuff like that. And yeah, I feel like that'll be like a good thing to do for this channel, because I feel like I just haven't hit a schedule, and it's literally been messing me up a lot because I haven't been putting out videos consistently. Hopefully I should be way better with that in the future. But yeah, since now I do have a schedule. But yeah, let's get into it, and yeah, play. Oh wait, I want to go back. Also, something that I wanted to say too. Actually, I want to hear you guys' opinion on this. Do you want like a Discord server, like, so that way you guys can you guys will get like like a notification like when the video comes out, or well, that, and also like a Twitch notification like when I'm streaming too, or whatever, right? I could do that, and I could make it over the next week. If you guys want it. I'll definitely find some people to mod and stuff, like to be mods and stuff like that in the channels. But yeah, I think that'll be a pretty good thing. Don't know if you guys want it. Tell me in the comment section down below if you do, because I'm just throwing out ideas here. So let's get into it and play. 2027, a year that would not be forgotten. I kind of want to do this like I'm spending so much time on like this opening part. I kind of want to do it like a movie trailer. Let's get my voice acting skills pretty good. Well, let's get my voice acting skills in here. In the aftermath of a meteor impact on the Mid-Atlantic Ridge, the magma erupted by the impact would lead to dangerously high surface temps. While the population tries to recover from the impact, hurricane season must return. From Miami to New York City and Spain to and even the West California. So basically everywhere in the Western Hemisphere. But as a merciless season ensues, making the ability to survive a struggle. Especially when it turns out all 8 billion people on Earth are in danger. Lita Von Lucerina rendition of 2027 is ready to show. Armageddon awaits. This is a hypothetical season animation. None of the storms in animation represent actual events in real life or the future. The animation also using naming lists which are fully hypothetical and differ from real world lists. Oh yeah, that makes a lot of sense because I always forget that like it's a certain amount of names that they have, so they just go like back to the top of the list after they reach the end. So it quite possibly could not be these names at all. Okay, so Claudia was like the first tropical storm of the year. Not too much going on. Not too much going on. It seems like a quiet start to the year. Oh no, it has to be Fred to disrupt that quietness. I love the animation and editing, by the way. Like, just a quick shout out. I know, like, the editor actually has watched my my reactions. So I actually do want to like do a quick shout out for that. Like, this is like some phenomenal editing work too. So Henry hit at a 4. Wow. Oh, wow. It hit at a 4 twice. That is insane. They always like that area always gets the like hardest hit hurricanes, honestly. That was an interesting turn. It just went up to New England. Okay, Jasper's turned into a 5. I'm getting kind of scared. I didn't even see Katie. Oh my god, it hit as like a 2 or a 3, right? Let's go back. Uh-oh. I went too far back. Yep, I was right. It hit as a 3. And then Jasper over here is literally about to hit as a 5 over like near Miami. Well, might hit Miami. It's gonna definitely hit like Puerto Rico and stuff. What's that? No, not Nassau. Nassau. Sorry. That is insane. I love the purple effect on that, bro. And the lightning. The lightning makes it look a lot like pretty. So Mindy's gonna hit, what's that, North Carolina at at a 4. I'm trying to see, is that edited too? Oh, that's sick. I was looking at like if the date was edited to like the counter or whatever. In the corner. That's pretty sick. It's hitting at it hit at a 5 at like 2 out of the 3 places. That's insane. Nicholas is going nuts. Like literally, that's insane. So, yeah, Nicholas. I mean, if that is a storm that happens in 2027, that is insane. Like, my God. Honestly, considering climate change, it probably is a storm that could happen because storms just get stronger and stronger with climate change every year. So they're thinking we're going to have another Katrina type of like storm, basically. This is like what I'm getting from this. this. The Caribbean just doesn't get a break. Literally, the storms were over it, were over them first, and then here goes Quinn in a Category 5. They all are hitting at a Category 5. Peter just hit the Bahamas. Octavia is about to hit somewhere in the Gulf of Mexico, and then you have Quinn that's like coming up. Is that? I mean, it looks like it could be over New Orleans. I don't know. Rose. Wow, Nicholas went all the way over to Spain. Wow. It's like he never wanted to die. So Sam was about to hit New York. Oh, it didn't hit it as well. It didn't hit it as hard as I thought it was gonna hit it at. Then you have Teresa that looked like it's gonna hit either, I'm guessing, Portugal, or maybe like the little tip of Portugal and then going into Spain. Oh wow, yeah, it hit right in the crossing of Spain and Africa, like going into like Africa or whatever. I can't think of it. Strait of Gibraltar. Well, that was a pretty eventful spring. I was gonna say, are those two gonna combine? Okay, this is insane. Have two Category 5s just right next to each other, and like one is right in the Gulf and then one's like right next to the Caribbean. And it hit Miami. The Caribbean is not getting a break at all. Look at all of these three Category 5s right now. That's insane. Like, I mean, it's probably not going to turn out like this, but if it turns out like the hypothetical year, it is going to be a lot of destruction. Jacobus is literally about to hit like all of Spain right now. That's insane. I didn't even see Heath. Heath is like down here like causing chaos. Kenzie is like just coming off the coast. Lucio's causing some damage, and then Kenzie is about to strike. So yeah. Okay, that is like some rapid fire action from Michaela and Nolan. What the heck? And then Orlando and Pat. Well, Pax is like the like least storm that you are like worrying about. It seems like that is like literally insane. Oh, that's the first storm that hit South America. In this one. Tayshawn is really not letting the Caribbean and Central America rest. And now it looks like it's not letting America rest at all either. And yeah, beta is like not beta at all. It just keeps growing. Just asking a question. I wonder. So is that even possible that like two hurricanes can combine into one like huge hurricane? Is that possible? Well, we're back at the names that like literally we went past not too long ago. Because there's been so many hurricanes. That's insane. It's like I'm watching like Avatar right now, and this is like the craziest like insane video. I love it. Shouldn't say Avatar. I probably should say the Avengers and like the Avengers like Infinity Gauntlet or whatever. It is like consistently just staying in that area. That is insane. I like how the category 5, like, how it gets bigger and bigger to kind of show the intensity more so. I love that actually. That's insane. It hit as a category 5 in 3 places in America. That's insane. It is like Beyblades, how fast they're like just popping out of the water. It is out of, storms or whatever. It's just like Beyblades, how it's popping out of the Atlantic Ocean, honestly. Insane. Okay, that's a new color that I kind of like. Sucks that it's a category 5, but I kind of do like the color. The color scheme is really nice. Yeah, the camera cut off. I didn't realize it. Video's over, but I do want to say that Colin got up to 1,175 wind speed, so that's pretty insane. But also, the second part I wanted to talk about is Patreon. Also, I will have the VODs on my Patreon as well from my Twitch stream. So that's another good incentive to go to my Twitch and to my Patreon and become a patron. You can look at those VODs too. And also another thing I was gonna say is a huge thank you to Force 13 and their editors for watching my reactions. I didn't think that honestly it's kind of crazy how many people actually watch me. I guess I just don't really think about it until one of the people that I'm actually watching and reacting to or whatever comments on the video, say hey, good video or whatever, and I'm like, whoa, you know who I am. So special thanks to the thanks to the editors and Forest 13 as a channel for allowing me to watch their videos and show them to to my audience that is 1,000 members strong. We're small, but we're not silent. We're pretty loud, and we voice our opinions here. So yeah, it's pretty good. And also special thanks to subscribers and stuff, because I probably wouldn't even be making content, honestly, if I didn't have anybody to stream it to. I mean, to show my content to or whatever, and nobody liked it or something. So I'm definitely happy and grateful for that. And also subscribe to the channel. I want to get to 10,000 subscribers. I'll have hot sauce and some the hot ones hot sauce or whatever. So, and I don't like hot sauce, so that's gonna be fun. But talk to you guys in the next video. Also, comment down in the description. Comment down below if you want. If you do want a Discord server, because I feel like that will probably be the best way to go about this. And talk to you guys in the next video. Peace.